how to make these delicious cookies step by step. Making these cookies is a breeze, and the result is so worth the effort. Let's go through each step. 1. Gather all your ingredients and preheat the oven. Before you start, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. This will help you work efficiently, making the baking process more enjoyable. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius, and prepare your baking sheets by greasing them or lining them with parchment paper. This will prevent the cookies from sticking and give them that golden edge. 2. Sift the dry ingredients. Sifting the flour, baking soda, and salt is an essential step for ensuring an even distribution of the dry ingredients. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Set this aside for now. 3. Mix the sugars and butter. In a large mixing bowl, beat together 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 3/4 cup of melted unsalted butter, and 1/2 cup of white sugar using an electric mixer. Mix on medium speed until the mixture is smooth and well combined. This creates the base for the chewy texture, as the sugar and butter together make the cookies soft. 4. Add the egg yolk, and vanilla. Now, it's time to add in the wet ingredients. Beat in 1 large egg, 1 egg yolk, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. The egg yolk is a secret trick to achieve that soft and chewy texture. So don't skip it. Mix until everything is light and creamy. 5. Combine the wet and dry ingredients. Add the sifted flour mixture into the wet ingredients. Stir until the dough is just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can result in tough cookies. A gentle fold will give you the right consistency. 6. Stir in the chocolate chips. Once your dough is ready, it's time to make it irresistible. Stir in 2 cups of semisweet chocolate chips. This step ensures that every bite will have a generous amount of melty chocolate goodness. 7. Form the cookie dough and arrange on baking sheets. Use a spoon or cookie scoop to drop spoonfuls of dough onto your prepared baking sheets. Space them about 3 inches apart to allow for spreading. Don't worry about shaping them perfectly. When they bake, they'll spread into perfectly round, thick cookies. 8. Bake to perfection. Place the cookie sheets in the preheated oven and bake the cookies for about 15 to 17 minutes. Keep an eye on them. The cookies are done when the edges are golden and the centers are still slightly soft. Remember, they'll continue to cook a bit after you remove them from the oven. 9. Cool before transferring. Once they're done, let the cookies cool on the baking sheets for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This brief cooling period helps them set and prevents them from breaking apart.